So this is my first electric car, and it's been a bit of a minefield in understanding what you need to do to have an EV charging point at home. And I was getting quite confused, so I made a few inquiries, and I wanted a local electrician because I believe from May that electricians can get the qualifications to fit EV chargers and you don't have to go to a big corporate company, and that's something I really wanted to do, to have that sort of one-to-one, so someone I could pick up the phone to. And I found Duncan, and he's been exceptional in helping me understand what's required to fit an EV charger at home. Some of the things I didn't really know is you need to make sure that with your consumer unit, what I would know as a fuse box, needs to be upgraded with the different tails and thicknesses of the tails coming into the home and going into the consumer unit and going back out again. And so that means involving OVO Energy in my case, which were the energy supplier for me. UK power networks who have to upgrade the main fuse to the house to make sure that it can cope with the EV charging, and also the fitting and installation of the charger itself, and I went for a Zappi charger that Duncan sort of talked me through. After finding Duncan on, I think it was Bark, one of the sort of community websites, I had a chat with him, and the first 15-20 minutes was on the phone. I was sold because he was so knowledgeable. It really put my mind at rest in understanding what needs to be done. He took me through the process. He actually communicated to UKPN on my behalf and done the form filling, arranged the times they would come and change the fuse, and I spoke to OVO to make sure they came in to change the tails, and we just worked together. And the biggest thing for me is the fact that he worked with me, a really good team, and he never let me down on anything. He came when he said he was going to come along, and he's such a great workman, and the way he worked around the house was amazing, so clean and tidy, exceptional really, and I would totally recommend Duncan for anything that he does in terms of this for electrics. And so much so he's actually going to be fitting some more sockets for me in the house, which is a completely different job, but now I found myself a really great electrician, not far away from me, a local lad who I really trust and would recommend to anybody.